So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to find Windows Audio. Double click on it. Now we're going to click on the Log On tab. You're going to select Local System Account. Now you're going to click on Allow Service to Interact with Desktop. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Registry Editor. Click on it. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK Local Machine. Now you want to expand Software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. Now we're going to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand Windows. I want to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand current version. Now you want to find Devices. We're going to scroll down till we find Devices right here. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you find Devices, you want to right click on it and then click on Permissions. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Advanced. Now you're going to click on Change. In this box right here, you're going to type in Everyone. Now you're going to click on Check Names and then click on OK. And then click on Apply and then click on OK. And now for all application packages, you're going to click on Full Control, Allow. And now we're going to scroll down and then click on Users and then click on Full Control again. Full Control, Allow. And then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.